How to start making money on the side from home online. Hello, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be breaking down how you can start making money online with limited time, and I'll be showing you examples that I've done and also persons close to me have done. The first example I'll be showing you is the one that I'm currently using right now, which is YouTube. But instead of putting up videos that you want to rank and you'll have to get monetized by YouTube, I would recommend that you target affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, this YouTube channel is doing Amazon affiliate marketing. So they simply rank videos, as you can see, the best standing desk converters and the best all-in-one printers. And you may be wondering, where are they getting the videos from, and also are they doing voiceovers and how you'd get the script and all of that? Well, it's quite easy, as all you'll need to do is simply go onto Amazon. And once on Amazon, for example, let's say I would want to do a video on this projector, or I would want to do a video on the best projectors under $100. Once you have selected the projectors that you would want to do the video on, you can simply tap on the page, and as you can see right here, majority of the projectors or majority of the products, better yet, on Amazon also offer videos with them. So you'll simply download a software on your PC or laptop. The software that I would recommend that you use is Video Downloader. As you can see, I'm highlighting it right here. This is a free plugin that works with Amazon videos or with any channel video overall, any video overall. So once you're on the website, for example, on this page, and you simply tap on the video, you will see it highlighted. You will see it highlighted right here, and you will be able to download the video. And that's it. And you'll be able to make a good commission from Amazon. As you may know, Amazon is one of the top ranking e-commerce store, and you can see the commission rates right here. As you can see, if you were to sell one of those projectors, you'll be able to make anywhere from 4% to 7%. So that means for every $100, you'll be able to make anywhere from $4 to $7 by simply promoting the product on YouTube, as this person does. And you can see that there are a lot of persons searching for these products. As you can see here, I have a plugin by the name of Keywords Everywhere that shows the amount of views a particular keyword get on a YouTube channel. And you can see right here, this person is able to get 126 views per day with this keyword, best projector for home theater. And you can see that number 2 rank is able to get 1,500 views per day. So imagine that, and imagine only 3% of his viewers purchase a projector per day. He's making crazy money per day, and as you can see right here, all they do is simply get the videos from Amazon, as I was showing you earlier, and they would simply use the same description on Amazon, and they would do a voiceover. You personally could do the voiceover, or you could find free software online to do the voiceover. I've done videos on how to do this, and if you would like me to go into detail, I can in a next video. Just let me know in the description. The second option that I would explore if I were you is TikTok. As you may know, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platform, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it has overtaken Instagram at the moment. And with TikTok, I would recommend that you upload daily motivational quotes, or you could upload relationship quotes. And the way how you can get this content is by simply going onto Instagram, or you could go onto YouTube and then resize the videos and take clippings from it. And you can add your Linktree link in the description, as this person does. Then once they go onto your Linktree link, you can promote CPA offers, or you can promote affiliate offers. For example, if I were to tap on the first link in their description right here, it would lead me to this CPA offer. And once I fill in my name and email address, the creator or the owner of this TikTok account will be able to earn $2. You may be wondering, how are they able to do that? Well, they have signed up to a CPA marketing platform, for example, CPA Grip. And with CPA Grip or with any CPA marketing platform, you get paid cost per action. So by a person simply filling in their name and email address, you'll be able to earn money. And also, if they continue down the rabbit hole and also do a survey, you'll be able to earn even more money. And not only do you have the possibility of making money with TikTok, but you could also use Pinterest. And with Pinterest, you don't need a lot of followers to make money. And you'll be using the same offer on Pinterest, which is the CPA offer, just like what this person is doing. And you can see that this person only has 102 followers. And if you were to see the amount of views they are getting per month, you would be surprised, as they are getting 89,000 monthly views. So with 89,000 monthly views and numerous CPA offers, you can only imagine the amount of money that they are making per day. And all of these pins are quite easy to create, so it won't take you a lot of time. You could invest probably an hour or 2 hours per evening or every other evening to create these pins or to create the Amazon videos. As with the Amazon videos, all you'll simply be doing is copy and pasting and compiling them, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating, and that you'll give one of these ideas a try, and let me know in the description if you would like me to break down any one in depth more, or if you would like a part 2 to this video.